Let's understand how property, plant, and equipment is reported in the financial statements under IFRS. So we will drill down into three different levels. The first at the financial statement level. Then we will drill down and understand the accounting policies that are how accounting policies are disclosed in respect to property, plant, and equipment. And the third one, we will talk about the notes. What are the disclosure that need to be provided in the notes? So this is just a sample financial statement that I want to disclose so that you can have a clarity on a practical basis how PPE is reported in the financial statement. Here, property, plant, and equipment generally covers under non-current assets. Under non-current assets, generally property, plant, and equipment comes along with a corresponding note number. So, which means in order to understand further about property, plant, and equipment, we need to refer to the note number 13. So, this is the balance as of 31st December 2017 and a comparative in 2016. So, there is around 1,000 euros of movement during million euros of movement during this particular year. So this is basically at the FS level. This is what we disclose in the financial statements relating to property, plant, and equipment.